What's the meaning of curvaceous? Curvaceous. Curvaceous.
Curvaceous. Curvaceous. Curvaceous refers to the quality of having an attractive and shapely figure, particularly with well-defined curves. This term often describes a woman's body that has a pleasing and pronounced hourglass shape, with a narrow waist and full hips and bust. The curves on such a body are typically smooth and sensuous, giving the appearance of an elegant and feminine physique. Overall, being curvaceous is generally considered desirable and appealing, and such a figure can be achieved through exercise, healthy eating, and genetics.